Ability is to look at a blank page and create a poem. Ability is to stare into the eyes of fear and come out stronger because of it. Ability is to walk into a room of strangers and come out with friends. Ability is to admit you are wrong when you are wrong. Ability is to get back up when you fall down. Ability is to believe when everything seems lost. Ability, a simple word with a complex meaning. For many, ability is never found, but for all, ability is within. Ability stares everyone in the face at one time or another. Whether your ability is how well you shoot hoops, how well you flip at dancing, how smart you are at school, you have ability. For some, ability is lost by never trying. Whether never trying to shoot one more time, never trying to bend a little more, or never trying to score high in school. Ability is within. Ability is yours.